Mwandiki munene wa ihinda wa kiama kia DCP John Metho hamwe na gikundi kia ambunge aria megiritanagia na kiama giki ni maumururukite gutetera mutongoria wa Rigathi Gachagua kumana na ndumiriri ya ica ikuhi iria erega kurekereria ya kuruta mahitia miaka ina ya wathani wa President Ruto iria ihiuhitie ngwatiro bururi-ini.
Our representatives are clear that he has broken his covenant with the people of Kenya and that the country must restore its dignity. We have heard and we will stand with them.
Metho igete ambunge aria matetagira thirikari magirirwo gutariria maria thirikari ihingiirie muingi thiini wa miaka ina editi koinaga cia Gachagua kuma rucini nginya hwaini.
Why can't you prepare a comprehensive rebuttal to the people of Kenya on the 4 years accountability statement presented by His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua? Don't tell us about His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Tell Kenyans about William Ruto's 4-year presidency.
Atongoria aya mathingiririe thirikari netete mwihoko wa muingi na riu irenyitirira marero thutha wa kuremwo kuhingiria muingi ciiraniro.
Collectively, the government is scared of the truth of its own people and reality. They have responded to illusions, personalities and fear. They are confused and have run out of ideas.
Kiama kia DCP riu kirenda thirikari iguithia muingi itumiria cingituma President William Ruto athukirwo itena ria keri.
All the promises William Ruto made to the people of Kenya in 2022, which one, just one, which one has been delivered after 4 years? Publish the scorecard.
Ambunge aya ni makanitie aruna ao kwaragiriria Gachagua bunge-ini gutari na gitumi na handu ha uguo gwicurania ciiraniro iria cierirwo muingi hindi ya kampeini hamwe na kurumbuania na mateta kihiri maria muingi uri namo.
Stop giving us speeches and infertile arguments that more Kenyans are taking soda and therefore the economy is good. Kenyans don't eat speeches. Kenyans want money in their pockets. Our farmers earning better returns. Our young people finding jobs. Our fewer families borrowing merely to survive. The consumption of soda has only increased because of its consumption in State House.
Kiama giki kiugete gitikuinainio gigithie na mbere gutetera na guthikiriria a Kenya na makiria gutariria haria mbugi yaterire muriha utongoria-ini wa President William Ruto. Utongoria wa kiama kia DCP riu urenda thirikari gutariria maundu maria ihingiirie a Kenya thiini wa miaka ina gutari marakara na gucagura irumi na njikanirio ya miario irongoreirio mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua riria ambararia mugambo wake hari maundu maria arona matakinyaneire wega. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de wabici-ini nene cia kiama kia DCP guku ni Lavington, kaunti ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.